Reflecting Oracle Global Temp tables using Python's SQLAlchemy. I am using SQLAlchemy and want to reflect the table structure of some global temp tables. I enable echo equals true when establishing the connection. I can reflect all tables except for the global temp tables. This is because of the way SQLAlchemy looks for the tables in the reflect. The duration of the Oracle Global Temp tables is sys$session, which is why no global temp tables reflect. Version info: SQLAlchemy 1.0.4py27_0. Oracle Database 11G Enterprise Edition Release 11.2.0.4.0, 64-bit. Is there anything I can do about this?
Appending to metadata via metadata.tables appears to work, but guessing there is a better solution.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.